Hello everyone! Today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for anyone wanting to boost their website's visibility on search engines, SEO for featured snippets. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are featured snippets? Well, they're concise answers or summaries that Google displays at the very top of its search results. Imagine this. You ask a question and Google provides the answer right there without even needing to click on a link. This prime spot is what we call position zero. It's like having your website featured on a digital billboard, standing out in the vast landscape of the internet. Securing a featured snippet spot can significantly increase your website's visibility, driving more organic traffic your way. So stick around as we delve into how you can optimize your content to grab these coveted positions in the world of search engine optimization. There are primarily three types of featured snippets. First, we have paragraph snippets. This is the most common type, providing answers to user queries in a small, concise paragraph. Think of it as a bite-sized answer to a big question. Next, we have list snippets. These are perfect for how-to guides or any content that can be broken down into a step-by-step process. They offer a clear, organized way to deliver information, making it easier for users to digest. Finally, we have table snippets. These are great for presenting data or comparisons in a structured format. It's like having a mini spreadsheet right on the search results page. Knowing these types of featured snippets will help you create content that fits these formats. Tailoring your content to match these structures can significantly increase your chances of getting featured. So, keep these types in mind as you craft your SEO strategy. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How can you optimize your content for these coveted spots? The first step is to identify snippet opportunities. Not all keywords trigger featured snippets, so it's essential to find the ones that do in your niche. Tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs can help you with this task. They allow you to analyze the keywords your competitors are ranking for and the ones triggering featured snippets. This way, you can find the gold mines that are yet to be discovered. Next, create high-quality content. Now, I cannot emphasize this enough. Google's algorithm is designed to prioritize content that provides value to users. So how do you create high-quality content? Start by conducting thorough research on your topic. Understand the common queries related to it and then craft well-researched, concise answers. Remember, your content should be the best answer to the user's query. Now you have your high-quality content, but is it enough? Not quite. You need to structure your content effectively. Google loves well-organized content. Use headers to break down your content into digestible sections. If you're providing step-by-step instructions or a list of items, use bullet points. If you're comparing data, use tables. This not only makes your content user-friendly, but also snippet-friendly. The final step in optimizing for featured snippets is using schema markup. Now, this might sound a little technical, but it's not as complicated as it seems. Schema markup is a form of microdata that helps search engines understand your content better. By implementing schema markup, you provide search engines with structured data, making it easier for them to understand your content. This could potentially increase your chances of earning a spot in the featured snippets. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of securing a spot in Google's featured snippets. But remember, SEO is not a one-time thing. It requires consistent effort and monitoring. So keep an eye on your rankings, learn from your successes and failures, and continually adjust your strategy. Optimizing for featured snippets can significantly boost your website's visibility and drive more organic traffic. But like any good thing, it requires effort and patience. So don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Keep optimizing, keep experimenting, and eventually you'll see your website climbing up the search engine rankings. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on optimizing for featured snippets. Implement these strategies, stay persistent, and watch your website's visibility soar. Remember, SEO is a journey, not a destination. So keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep optimizing. While optimizing, be wary of pitfalls that could hinder your chances. In the race to secure that coveted featured snippet spot, some people fall into common traps that can actually harm their efforts. Let's run through some of these so you can steer clear. First up, overstuffing keywords. It's an old trick that's long lost its charm. Search engines have become smarter and can recognize when you're trying to game the system by stuffing your content with keywords. This can actually lead to penalties and lower rankings. So focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that naturally incorporates your target keywords. Next, neglecting mobile optimization. More than half of all web traffic comes from mobile devices, and search engines know it. If your content doesn't look good or isn't easily navigable on a smartphone or tablet, it can impact your rankings. So, make sure your website is responsive and provides a seamless experience, regardless of the device used. Finally, ignoring user intent. This is a big one. Search engines aim to provide users with the most relevant and helpful answers. If your content doesn't align with what users are actually looking for, it won't be picked for a featured snippet, no matter how well optimized it is. So always keep the user's needs and queries at the forefront of your content creation process. These are just a few of the common mistakes you should avoid when optimizing your content for featured snippets. Remember, the goal isn't just to secure a featured snippet spot, but to provide valuable, relevant content for your audience. By focusing on quality over quantity and user intent over keyword density, you can significantly improve your chances of getting featured in a snippet. Avoiding these common mistakes can significantly improve your chances of getting featured in a snippet. However, it's important to remember that SEO is a long game. It's not about quick wins, but consistent strategic efforts over time. So keep learning, keep optimizing, and keep your eyes on the prize. SEO is dynamic. Regularly monitor your rankings and adjust your strategy accordingly. Just like a ship captain constantly checks his compass and adjusts the ship's course, you must also keep an eye on your SEO performance. Monitoring your rankings gives you invaluable insights into how well your optimization efforts are working. Are you moving up in the search results? Great, your strategies are effective. But if you're losing ground, it's time to reassess and make some changes. Utilize SEO tools to track your keyword rankings and keep an eye on your competitors. Tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, and Ahrefs can provide you with comprehensive data about your website's performance and areas for improvement. But remember, SEO isn't just about numbers, it's about providing valuable, relevant content to your audience. So pay close attention to your engagement metrics as well. Are people spending time on your site? Are they sharing your content? And let's not forget about the featured snippets. If you've earned a snippet, celebrate. But don't rest on your laurels. Keep your content fresh and up to date to maintain your position. Adjusting your strategy is just as important as monitoring. SEO trends evolve, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Stay informed about the latest SEO best practices and algorithm updates. Experiment with new tactics, but always keep your audience's needs at the forefront. Remember, consistency is key. Keep monitoring, keep adjusting, and keep striving for that coveted spot at the top of the search results. That wraps up our deep dive into SEO for featured snippets. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the purpose and types of featured snippets to the strategies for optimizing your content for them. Remember, featured snippets are the concise answers or summaries that appear at the top of Google's search results. They're like digital billboards that can significantly boost your website's visibility. There are 3 types: paragraph, list, and table snippets. To optimize for these coveted spots, you need to identify snippet opportunities using tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs. Then, create high-quality, well-structured content that directly answers common queries in your niche. Implementing schema markup can further enhance your chances by providing search engines with structured data. But while you're optimizing, be cautious of common pitfalls. Avoid keyword stuffing, neglecting mobile optimization, and ignoring user intent. These could hinder your chances of securing a snippet spot. And remember, SEO is a dynamic field. Regular monitoring of your rankings and adjusting your strategy accordingly is vital. Consistency in this case is indeed the key to success. Implement these strategies, stay updated with SEO trends, and watch your website soar in visibility. It's a journey, not a destination. So keep learning, keep optimizing, and stay on top of your SEO game. Until next time, keep